everyone, welcome back to another commentary section today. And today we'll be looking at how this beautiful and creative cornrow hairstyle is being made. Is not just protective. The cornrow hairstyle is not just protective, it's super stylish. And if you love neat patterns and precise parting, long-lasting cornrows, then this one right here is for you. As always, whenever you want to do your cornrow, make sure you start with a freshly washed hair. Yes, freshly washed. Emphasis on freshly washed so that your cornrow will last longer. Then start by parting your hair into 2 equal parts for this particular hairstyle from the front, like what you can see right here. After you're done, then you start by cutting the cornrows using the cuff pattern, and with this you can achieve that with your cutting comb or your rat tail comb, which helps you to create sharp lines. And if you notice how each section flows into unique patterns, so like I said, start from the center, then filling in the extension if you're going to use extension gradually to achieve your natural look. That is for those who want to use the extension. And this pattern starts thick in the middle and gets slimmer as it goes down. That's for the finished look of this cornrow. You will notice that the finished wrap was very thick, and each braid of this cornrow lays flat and tight, not too tight actually, because if it was too tight you would have seen from the rest of the hair that has been made already. Then the design flow of this cornrow, can you see the curves? And I just want us to take a moment to appreciate the flow, because it takes a whole lot of consistency to be able to get or stick to a design flow and be able to get it very well. And you can see how the braids are woven in a curved cornrow motion. Yes, it's so obvious, and the lines are so clean and almost like waves. They are like waves flowing to the back. And this kind of design doesn't just beautify the head, it also like highlights the stylist creativity. Yeah, the stylist is very creative. This cornrow is perfect for school kids, it's perfect for adults. You can wear this cornrow under your wigs. It's not all the time you do all back or your hair, you weave your hair straight all back. You can also try doing patewo, that's clapping. Just weave your hair together at the center and give it a final balance by placing the hands together as inner weaving. So it's perfect for anyone who also wants something unique and tidy. Then once you finished braiding, like I said, if you want to release the hands, you can release the hands. But if you really want to be wearing your wigs or you just want perfect comfortability, just go ahead and seal the ends of the braids neatly as inner weaving. You can tie your scarf all over it, maybe after applying your mousse if you have to, because not every cornrow needs ear mousse. And remember, some scarves actually react to hair mousse and all this spray. So for maintenance, just make sure you always keep your scalp moisturized and wear a satin bonnet at night to make the style last longer. And the truth is that basically not everybody usually remembers to wear their satin bonnet at night. Not everybody. For someone like me, when I make my hair, except it is very compulsory, I do not usually remember to wear my satin bonnet at night. That is the truth. Even the natural girlies, some of them will tell you wear your satin bonnet, but not everybody, except it has been part and parcel of you. But to protect your hair from staying longer, it is advisable, if you really want your hair to stay longer, wear your satin bonnet or tie your scarf. It's advisable that way. And that's it for today. If you're new here, thank you for joining, and remember to hit the subscribe button. If you're an old member, you guys are the most valuable persons here. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. Thank you. And for the stylist, you can check her out on TikTok. If she's in your location, kindly patronize. Every one of them have always been posting either on videos or on shirts. And guys, I have surprises for you, surprises for our videos. I'm going to come up with a video soon, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. And also tell me what you feel about the videos in the comment section. And that is it for now. I want you to Like, what do you think about this beautiful hairstyle pattern? What do you think about the style, the curves? And would you rock the style or try it on your clients or on yourself or on your babies? Let me know in the comment section below, and remember to don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe for more creative hairstyles, hair commentaries, hair tutorials. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay beautiful, stay hopeful, and keep your crown glowing, keep your hair shining. And that's it, and that's on period. See you guys, bye bye.